Okay, so we are in this next section. This is the sales comparison approach section, and I'll split these up into different videos as well. So go ahead and just erase these. I'll teach you these later. So this is the subject, and we just kind of just go through like that. Just double check. Go ahead. When you see this green arrow like this, it is Control H. Control H does that. So Control H, attachment type is detached. Number of stories is 2. So 1, 2 stories. Okay. So 2 is the daylight range. So that's it's red because it's too long. So if you just want to shorten it, you can do daylight range. Yeah. So just kind of get that. The quality, you can do Control H. What I need you to do is read this section, okay? And then you'll get a good idea of what kind of quality rating that you'll do. So my quality is Q2 actually, okay, for that property. So Q2, 2 years old, C1. This is the main for 1887 and then 1567. So go ahead and do the Control H here. So how many square foot was that? 1560. Finished 1560. Exterior type, it's a walk out, so you can walk out, walk up, or interior only, but you can walk out for that. So there is in the basement, there's a rec room. So 1 rec room. In the basement, there's 3 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. There's 1 full bathroom, no half bathrooms, and then other you can just put 0. So there's 1 rec room, which is the family room. 3 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3. 1 bathroom, bath. 0 half bathrooms. I usually do half bathrooms like this, half bathroom. Okay, so this is a full bathroom. 1 full, 0 half, 0. And press OK, and it'll fill that out for you. Functional, and then this, just switch it to central. FAU central, forced air unit. FAU central. This actually should be average. Okay. So go ahead and press Control H for the little green arrow. Control H. 3 attached garage and 3 driveway. Okay. Okay. There was a deck, so I'm just gonna put deck. There was 1 fireplace, and then there was exterior. Go ahead and put just fence. Yeah. There was a small fence there, so I should go back here and put fence wire. Okay. So that's it. So that's your subject, and then you just start plugging in comparables. Okay. So I gave you all the comparables, and I'll put it in order for you. So everything should be in order. So all you have to do is you have your sheet. Well, hopefully it's printed out, but I think you should print it out just because it's just easier to look at all this information in one sheet. Okay, so I'm gonna blow this up for you so then you can kind of get the gist of where we're going. Okay, so this is the first comparable. Okay, so after the drawing will be the comparable. Okay, so with that drawing, you just go 22301 Northeast Friar Hill Road, Dundee, Oregon 97115. You don't know the distance yet, so don't worry about that. and then the sold price, sale price, which is right down here, 544,800. 544,800. Press enter. That automatically, this value automatically changes. Then you go to this section, RMLS 122,96455. So this needs to change to this because this is the RMLS number right here. Okay, so press Control H. Okay, Control H. Days on market, which is down here. CDOM, which is this second number right here. Okay, so that's 158. Okay. And then RMLS, and then the offering number, which is the RMLS number, which is up here. See how it's easier just to print it out? 134,83776. Just press OK. Okay, the doc number. Okay. The doc number is well, this doesn't have a this fryer doesn't have a doc number, so you just put NYA, not yet available. NYA. Okay, so this number right here is list the sales price. So all you have to do is you take your calculator and you take this price, the sold price, which is 544,800, divided by this list price right here, 549,900, and that should give you a percentage, 99.07. So 99.07%. Okay. All right. Now we get to this. So Control H. So you gotta look at your comparable here, and this is the terms that we want to find. So Control H. The sales type is going to be usually arm's length. Okay. But this is conventional. So go down here. Pick conventional. And okay. Then you come down to this section, Control H. It goes settle sales. This is a sold property. Okay, so settle sale on the sold date, which is the date here, which is 9/13. And the contract date, which is the pending date, right here, is 8/13. And then okay, automatically change it. Okay, and then location residential, fee simple, and how many acres? This is 2.04 acres. 2.04 acres. Okay. So I just pressed Control Y there, and deleted that, and get rid of all these zeros here. So the view, Control H. So this is a mountain valley. So you just go beneficial, mountain, and let's just put pastoral, which is right here. Okay, pastoral woods. Okay, and then just keep going. Just go detached, 2 stories. So this is 2 stories because I see that right here. 1, 2. Okay, 2 stories, and then design style is right here. Traditional. So I just put traditional and enter. Okay. And just go ahead and put Q2, just let it match here, okay? So, and then the year, again, this is 1988, so take out your calculator. 2014 minus 1988, 26. And just put that in right there. put that C1, make it all the same. So this one has 4 bedrooms on top. There's no basement for this one. So you just go 7, 4, and then the bathrooms is 2.1 bathrooms. 2.1. Okay. And the top square footage is 13,085. 13,085. I'm just going to put that in. There's 0 square footage on the bottom. And just keep going down. Central air. So heat pump is the same thing as central air. So just go FAU, heat pump. Okay. Average. This has 2-car garages. Go ahead and just go to built-in garage and 2 driveway. Oops. Take this out. Okay. Alright. Put a deck, because there's a deck right here. 2 fireplaces. And fence. And I think there's a shop on there. Yep. Okay, so just read through this and then just put fence and shop. You can put also like fence, shop, and greenhouse. Greenhouse. Okay. So that's just each comparable. So what you do is you take that, you put in number 1, then you take number 2, and you put in number 2, you take number 3, and you put in number 3, okay? And